We're unboxing a VFD 2 horsepower booster pump that's easy on electricity but big on water pressure. As it's part of the RPS Eco-Steady booster pump lineup, of course it includes lots of smart water monitoring features like run-dry protection, cycle protection, and leak protection. This is the 2 horsepower Eco-Steady booster pump. Opening the box, you'll see we ship these pumps with lots of styrofoam to protect the inlet area and prevent any damage in transit. We'll start with the LED faceplate that has buttons for controlling on-off power, pressure settings, regular booster pump mode, timer mode, and viewing any error codes. The plus and minus buttons allow you to set operating pressure. As you select a higher number, the water pressure will increase. PSI will be displayed here in kilogram force per square centimeter. A 4 on the display is equivalent to a little over 55 PSI, which is still lower than the 2 horsepower's upper ability range of 60 PSI. For households with multiple levels or who just want pressure closer to 60 PSI, opting for the 2 horsepower over the 1 horsepower option will get you that extra boost. The Eco-Steady booster pump runs on a brushless variable frequency drive motor that softly ramps up to provide more water as demand increases. We provide a 220 volt plug on the end of the wire pigtail, but you can easily remove that if you want a direct wire or just use a different plug like a NEMA L14-30. Let's point out the stainless steel centrifugal impellers inside of the stainless steel housing. These impellers are very wear resistant and can stand up to industrial applications. This protective pump cover can come off. I'll remove the outlet protective cap first to reveal the 1-inch stainless steel threaded outlet. And while we're here, I'll show you an easy way to prime this 2 horsepower Eco-Steady using the included priming arm. Inside, you'll see the pump's built-in check valve. Use the priming arm to pull the check valve up and then just fill with water. This is the 1.25-inch stainless steel threaded inlet that you'll be able to connect up PVC or stainless steel fittings to, and above it, a removable priming screw as a secondary way to prime the pump. This pump also has run-dry protection just in case you lose prime or run out of water. At the back is the pump's cooling fan with a protective cover. If we turn the pump around, you'll see one of the 2 screw down locations so you can affix the pump to wood or metal. Here's the second location. If we take off the top protective cover, you'll see more of the 1-inch outlet with its stainless steel plumbing. You'll also see the motor housing and the built-in pressure regulation module. The motor runs quietly under 50 decibels, which is the volume of normal indoor conversation. The wire connecting the outlet to the programming pad is the pressure sensor, which instantly sends back data to help manage consistent outgoing water pressure. Contact us if you have any questions and our team would be happy to help.